Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how and why to prime. Primer is the first coat. It allows the paint to adhere better to whatever surface you're painting. Now, if you just installed new drywall, well, you'd want to give the entire surface a coat of primer. This will also help to fill in any small imperfections in the drywall. If you're repainting a room, it's not always necessary to cover the entire wall with a coat of primer. Here, our Ace handyman has gone around this bathroom looking for imperfections, and where she found them, she patched the wall and skim coated over the rough spots. After applying spackle to the wall, she sands the wall as smooth as possible, and once the sanding was finished, then she began applying the primer over those areas. If you're going from a darker color to a lighter color, or if the manufacturer recommends a tinted primer, it would be in your best interest to prime the entire wall. Your local Ace will have all the information about what type of primer you need and be able to tint the primer if necessary. The primer is applied like a paint, can be brushed on or rolled. Start by giving the primer a good mix just like any other paint, then cover each area that needs it. Allow the primer to dry, and then you're ready to paint the room to your desired color. Coming up next, another great video about painting.